Did you know in Ireland alone, wipes and sanitary products cause over 500 toilet and sewer blockages every single month, costing millions to fix? Let me show you how to quickly unblock your toilet at home before it gets to that point. First, stop the water from rising. Lift the cistern lid and close the water valve if you can, or just don't flush again until it's cleared. Grab some rubber gloves and a plunger. Place the plunger over the hole, making sure it seals well, and push down firmly. Then pull up sharply. Repeat this a few times. If you don't have a plunger, pour hot water, not boiling, into the bowl. Then add a good squeeze of washing up liquid. Leave it for 10 minutes to break things down, then try flushing. If it's still blocked, a toilet auger or a drain snake can help reach deeper clogs. And that's it. Most blockages clear with a plunger or hot water and soap. If nothing works, it might be time to call a plumber. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful bathroom tips like this.